Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is Mendel's laws of inheritance. This is also an important long question and number of short question may be selected from this topic also. Moving towards the MCQs, firstly, George Gregor Mendel was a monk priest in Austria. He developed the fundamental principles of genetics. Mendel proposed that there are special factors in organism which control the expression of traits and their transmission to the next generation. Next MCQ is, Mendel selected pea plant to carry out a large number of experiments, and there are some features which must be present in organism which is selected for genetic experiments. The organism, if it is a plant, should be self-fertilization, but cross-fertilization should also be possible. So the first priority is of self-fertilization. The organism which is selected for genetic experiment should have a short but fast life cycle. Next MCQ is, each trait studied in pea plant had two distinct forms. Next, Mendel's law of segregation is an important long question, and the first short question on this in this page is monohybrid cross. Definition of monohybrid cross: a cross in which only one trait is studied at a time. It is called monohybrid cross. Mendel crossed a true breeding round seeded plant with a true breeding wrinkle seeded plant. Is an important MCQ. Firstly, Mendel studied the inheritance of seed shape. Another MCQ. Well students, this is the diagram of traits in pea plant studied by Mendel. Different traits have been shown over here. It is just for concept. The first question on this page is, define P1 generation. What is P1 generation? The parental generation is denoted as P1 generation. The offsprings of P1 generation are F1 generation, first filial. The cross in F1 generation produces F2 generation, second filial. And this is also an important MCQ. If the question is asked how Mendel studied the height in pea plant, the answer of this question would be there with proper diagram. Define dihybrid cross. Define law of segregation is very important short question. In each organism, the genes are present in pairs. During gamete formation, the genes or alleles of each pair segregate from each other, and each gamete receive one gene from the pair. When the gametes of male and female parent unite, the resulting offspring again gets the genes in pair. This conclusion was called the law of segregation. Next is the law of independent assortment. Before studying the definition of independent assortment, we will study dihybrid cross. What is dihybrid cross? To study two contrasting traits at the same time, such crosses are called dihybrid cross. This is the explanation of Mendel's law of independent assortment. Student, it is the Punnett square, and it is also very important short question. Draw the Punnett square described by the Mendel. Then you have to draw this Punnett square. So here it is a definition of Punnett square. The Punnett square is a diagram that is used to predict an outcome of a particular cross or breeding experiment. It is named after R.C. Punnett, an English mathematician. Define law of independent assortment. Very important short question. Law of independent assortment states as the alleles of a gene pair segregate, get separated and distributed to gametes independently from the alleles of other gene pairs. The definition of law of independent assortment can also be selected as an important MCQ. Our next topic is codominance and incomplete dominance. The difference between these two definitions would be discussed in the next video inshallah. Okay, thank you very much.